I'm going to show you the easiest way to shift a manual truck transmission, and we're going to start right now. We're going to go straight down and then make a right. We're going to come wide and get back to your right lane. And you got to watch your trailer tire. Yes, when you come back, close the gap behind the trailer. Straight up, then come back. There you go. You can come back. Watch your trailer tire, and you get back to the right.
My trailer tire was good?
Yep, it was good. Find the wall, then up.
I think I'm not.
Wall, then up. There you go.
Yeah, I think that was.
That's 4. And we're gonna go on the left. Left turn. We're gonna go wall, then down to 5. Yes, you do it now, ready for 6.
Okay.
There you go. There you go. Okay. Go to 7, straight up. There you go. Now slow down, we're gonna try to drop back to 6. Okay, give it gas to 15. Gas to 15, and then go to 6. Then 6. It's okay. It's okay. Slow down with the brakes. I think we have to fix your seat a little bit.
Yeah, I tried to move it up a little. Yeah, but I thought I'm not supposed to be all the way in on the clutch either, right?
No, you're not.
Why is this light on? Is it your door or mine?
It's probably the door open a little bit. Are you good like that? Can you reach good?
Well, no, but the seatbelt's really got me. So,
It's okay. All right, back to split it down first.
oh, shit.
There you go.
Is this thing on? Oh,
Mhm.
that's it.
Yeah, we're good. Okay, find the wall and up to 4. Walling down to 5. Split her up, there you go. Let's go to 6. The middle and up to 7. Good job.
Slippery when wet. So I'm
Yes.
gonna just coast like
Yeah, you
that.
stayed in this gear. Let's actually drop one more. First, bring your RPMs. Bring your RPMs to 12 first.
Okay, I'm at 15.
Yep, let it slow down by itself
All right.
to 12. Then you go to neutral, right?
Yep.
Give it gas to 15 again. Okay, clutch in, then 6. You gotta catch it before it drops. The needle. There you go. Perfect.
Am I
Skip it in the lane, watch both sides.
High side. That's it.
Mhm.
To the high side.
Yes. Let's go straight up, bring it up to 8. 7, then 8. Straight down,
is-
straight down. There you go. Give it gas to 15 again. Then put it in, straight down.
Nope. Oh, I almost had it.
Just hold it in, let it fall in. There you go.
I was a little too far to the right of it.
Yeah. Yeah, you might be catching a different gear.
Or the
And also, don't go up and down like that. Just try to hold it in. It'll fall. Like if you give it more than 16 RPMs, you gotta let the needle drop back down to 15 or 14. Then at that point, it'll fall right into gear. Okay, by the bridge, we're gonna go ahead and drop again. We're gonna drop back to 7, which is straight up, okay?
Okay.
Go a little further.
So
Go to neutral
12.
first. Yep, give it gas to 15. No, give split her up. 15, then put it in 7. Then 7, yep. Right up to 7. Do it again. Then 7. There you go. Perfect. It's good, you got it in.
It's better than last time.
It is a lot better than last time, yes. We'll go to 8. Straight down.
Oh, straight down, right? Yeah,
Mhm.
9 is
Give it 15 RPMs. Then put it in. Let it fall down to 14. There you go.
last time.
Remember, the needle falls into gear between 13 to 15. If it's too high at 16, you gotta wait for it to drop back down and then you catch it.
Because I'm not doing it fast enough, I think.
Yes, that, and when you give it gas, that's okay, but you gotta wait for the needle to come back down, because you're not gonna get it in gear when the needle is past 16 or 15. You gotta wait for it to go to 14 and then you put it in. All right, keep going straight.
Now I'm gonna go to 9.
There you go. And when you get it into gear, try to hold it in there. Don't go up and down like that because you're gonna get in and out, in and out.
Okay. So hold it in. Is it liable to pop out? Is that
It should. It should. If it doesn't, then you give it gas again. If you lose it, let's drop back to 9,
Okay, I was trying
Yep.
to go into 10.
and we're gonna make it right at the light.
They're not going fast enough. That's why.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm going to 10. Okay.
So slow it down a little bit, and we're gonna make it right. Okay. Start breaking the gears. We're gonna go to 8, neutral first. Give it gas to 15, a good 15, and then straight down to 8. There you go. I almost got it. Then straight down to 8. There you go. Slow with the brakes. Stay in the gears, okay?
18 is just kind of weird.
And push it. There you go. Okay.
Neutral.
Let's go to
slow
7.
down, You go to third. No.
Yeah. What speed? 14. Put it on 4. Go straight up.
Put it in. I can't. I'm stuck there.
Okay. Put it in. Get your RPMs to 15. Then put it in 4. Up. Straight up. Let me see.
Wait, I'm going.
Let go. Let go.
Now.
Let go of the gas. Go. Stay on the left.
Yes.
It's okay. You gotta hold it in there because it's hard to get when it's that low. It's hard to get the gears. We go to 5. It's okay. We're doing good. Okay. We're doing a lot better than before, so don't worry. And we go split her up to 6. And 7. There you go. Now, no more gas. We're gonna go drop back down to 6.
Now.
Wait for the 12 RPMs. Then you go to neutral. Bring it up to 15. Then put it in 6. There you go. Slow down with the brakes. There's a good downshifting. Split her down. We're gonna drop to 5 first. Go to neutral. Gas to 15. Walling down to 5. It's okay. Slow down with the brakes. Almost got it. RPM's a little too low, but it's okay.
Yeah, I was worried because that car was.
It was going too
in front of
fast,
me and
yes.
stopped, so.
It's okay. I saw it, yeah. Splitter's already down. Good job.
Right now, I'm not looking at my mirrors too much because I'm
It's okay.
focusing on this.
Yeah, exactly. That's fine. We'll get to that later. Go back to 3. Oh, you got it in 4? Okay. When you lose speed, go back to the last gear you were on.
There's another one.
6. Yep.
We
Let's-
have student driver written on this truck, don't we?
We do, yeah. It's okay.
Yeah, I need to move my seat up a little. I'm not getting that clutch in far enough.
Clutch brake, huh? Yeah.
But I mean, from a stop, I need to push it in a little further. So.
Maybe I should do that for the other guys.
But,
Push it all the way back. 'Cause some of them, they sink the clutch all the way through the floor.
oh, yeah.
That's not good.
Well, they probably have a hammer foot. I don't have that hammer foot. I'm
Yes.
probably on this clutch. But at least this clutch isn't as bad as the other clutch. Where am I? I'm in 4. Oh, I should went 6. Though. I'm not now. Probably going too fast.
Yeah. It's okay.
I need to.
Does 4 work for you?
Huh?
Gear 4, does it work for you
Yeah, get 4.
as a starting?
Yeah, if I get in it,
Yeah. Let me see if you can. Yeah, you're good. Yeah, start in 4. That way you gotta shift less.
Okay.
Then we go to 5 straight down. Yeah?
Can you,
Right?
Can you start,
And you can start in 5 if you want to.
Can you start in 4 for the test?
Yes, and you can start in 5 for the test if you want to.
Or where am I? I'm at 5. So
Yeah, we're going to 6.
split it up. Okay.
Right? There's less things to do.
Yeah.
Let's try to start in 5. Let's see if you can do it without stalling.
Oh, okay.
If you can start in 5, then that's your starting gear from now on, okay?
I drove some crappy standard cars in my day, so I can probably keep on with that.
There you go. So yeah, let's do 5.
If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit the subscribe button on this page so you can get more videos like this in the future. And besides that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.